favor, manténganse alejados de las puertas.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Express Monorail, your highway in the sky to the Magic Kingdom. For those of you standing, please hold onto the handrail throughout our journey and stay clear of the door. For the comfort of others, no smoking. Thank you. Disney created 7 Seas Lagoon. We are now entering Disney's Contemporary Resort. Ladies and gentlemen, we are currently holding for further traffic clearance. Please remember to stay clear of all automatic doors. If you're standing, please continue to hold on to the silver handrail. Thank you.
Please don't like them for me. I'm not clear. Is that where you're supposed to be? Yep. I told you, didn't he? I don't know, it looked like you have a costume on with your little hoodie on. Dancing camera, right? Dancing camera. Yeah. Makes a picture. Everything's so tiny. Yeah.
We are now passing Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort, a part of the Vacation Club.
Like what we give it to you. And we go and then put it on the TV. You see them? They got on the back. She's already answered the question. I didn't even have to ask. Well, yeah, the question still. Hey, OP, let me give you some. Hey, OP, take these staples and put them in your pocket. Put them in your pocket. Put them in your pocket. Put it on your. You want to take the pocket?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching our station at the entrance to Main Street, USA, gateway to the 6 themed lands of the Magic Kingdom. Smoking is not permitted at Magic Kingdom, except in the designated area outside the park entrance. If you're standing, please hold onto the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and the doors open. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Magic Kingdom Monorail Station.
Yeah, there's a kitty in there. I was going to tickle the kitty. Oh no. Where are we at?
a very good bus and
So is there anywhere on-site
well now there's in Monorail and so you don't have that number that's in the certificate. It won't be the same.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Express Monorail to the Transportation and Ticket Center. For those of you standing, please hold onto the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, which recalls the victorious splendor of turn-of-the-century Florida, offering the modern conveniences of a full-service spa and health club. Located between Disney's Grand Floridian and Polynesian Village Resort is Disney's Wedding Pavilion. Couples may exchange vows in a fairy tale setting, complete with a picturesque backdrop of Cinderella Castle. To the right-hand side of our forward motion, we are now passing Disney's Polynesian Village Resort and Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows, a South Pacific paradise of thatched roof, swaying palms, and white sand beaches. Inside the great ceremonial house, you'll find shopping and dining with a South Sea flavor. For an authentic island adventure, Disney's Spirit of Aloha dinner show is presented in Luau Cove. Ladies and gentlemen, we're approaching the Transportation and Ticket Center. This includes all sections of the Magic Kingdom car and bus parking lot. If you're traveling to Epcot, please exit here and board the monorail at the connecting monorail station. If you need additional assistance, a host or hostess will be happy to help you. This monorail will be returning to the Magic Kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're standing, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and the doors open. If this concludes your visit to the Walt Disney World Resort, we hope you've had a wonderful time and will return home safely. This is the Transportation and Ticket Center. Thank you for traveling with us. Ladies and gentlemen, please remember to collect your belongings and take young children by the hand. As you exit, please lower your head and watch your step. Thank you.
Park, so she can't park. Probably wondering where you're at today.